Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I'll be unboxing the latest iPad Pro. Now this is the 256 gigabyte version, and actually come to think of it, I won't be needing you, my little unboxing knife. I can simply pull this tab to get this party started. So I'll slowly take this off, and as I said, 256 gigs. It is the space gray. And let's go ahead and just unbox this slowly and gently, and there it is. So we will pull this out and just hurry up and get through the normal contents of the box. Here is the charging brick. Place that back, and what's new about this is the Type-C to Type-C. So that's the only difference in the box as far as what is in there, and I'm liking that. That's a plus, and that's an upgrade in my book. So peeling the plastic off of the iPad itself, and it is cold to the touch. Let us do a brief side-by-side size comparison of the 11-inch versus the 10.5-inch iPad Pro. The biggest thing that I noticed is the size difference and the cameras, as well as that connector on the back, you see. Okay, and again, here's that connector, and flipping it over, this spot right here is where the Apple Pencil goes. Magnetically, it attaches your volume keys, your power button, which is right here, speaker grill, microphones, and speaker grill. This has nothing but a microphone on this side. And then here is what we all have been waiting for. Finally, the Type-C port. So that's a plus in my book. Side by side front, there you go. And here is the new Apple Pencil. So let's go ahead and open this and take a look at the difference. But here is a comparison of the first Apple Pencil versus the Apple Pencil 2. Pulling this out gently, and there it is. Let's go ahead and take it out the box and pull the plastic off so we can get a better look and feel of this pencil. So putting it up against the first generation pencil, you'll notice that the first generation pencil is rounded and it has the word pencil etched into the silver part. But remember this, taking the cap off in order to charge the Apple Pencil, and you had to stick it in the bottom of your iPad, and to me that was a terrible idea and a disaster waiting to happen. With this one, there's no cap to take off, as there's a flat side to magnetically attach to the iPad. Let's power the iPad Pro on, and as you see right here, the Apple Pencil 2 does not roll around due to its flat side. So therefore it won't go rolling off the table, and I can appreciate that. I will use my old iPad to set up the new iPad by using this feature where you take a picture of this moving object and it reads it. Next up is the Face ID, and it's very much like the same of doing a Face ID on your iPhones. And as you see, it's very quick. It's probably the quickest Face ID that I've used. And we're in there like swimwear. Welcome to iPad. So we'll go ahead and gesture up to get to the home screen, and we're greeted with the regular icons. I would like to now test out unlocking the iPad with my face, and as you see, it unlocked very quickly. Let's now connect the pencil to the iPad, and the iPad does recognize that there is a pencil attached. So it's just saying, would you like to use this Apple Pencil with this iPad? And that I would. And as you see, it has a nice little animation at the top. I'll say connect, and it says welcome to Apple Pencil, giving us little tips and tricks on how to use the pencil, little pencil heads and colors that you can change. Let's test out how the pencil just functions normally without taking notes. And that refresh rate on this iPad Pro is amazing. I'm loving the smoothness. Using the first generation Apple Pencil, as you see, this does not work at all, so it cannot be used. Here is the Apple Pencil 2 and the smoothness. Let's go ahead, open up notes, and test out how the writing feels. and I'm gonna say it feels very accurate. I don't feel lag. It's very smooth, and it feels like I'm just writing on a piece of paper. Let's go ahead and try something else. So let's do blue. And this writes so smooth. There is a no lag factor here. You will like taking notes using the new Apple Pencil. It works great. So guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.